How you doing? Justin here, and we're up for a pretty cool little lesson now, and that's we're checking out blues improvising. So the 12 bar blues that we've learned previously, the rhythm guitar part, works really well with the minor pentatonic scale. And although there's a lot of things for you to learn like string bending and licks and stuff, it can be quite good fun to just get in there and just start playing this stuff and experimenting a little bit with how that scale sounds. So what I'm going to do for you now is just a little bit of fun, is I'm going to give you a little demonstration of some ideas that you might want to use. Now, it's kind of hard for me, to be completely honest, to play just in position one and not to use other notes and not to use string bends and stuff like that, just because I kind of do it all the time and it's hard to really restrict yourself. But I'm going to have a go. So the things I want you to watch out for is you don't have to play all the time. You can play a little phrase, ba-doo-doo, stop, ba-doo-doo, stop. So the idea of having a little motif is a good thing. Don't feel like you have to just play all the time. See if you can play something that sounds a little bit musical with a little bit of repetition is also a good idea, to have a little idea that repeats itself. You could have a go at using some of those pattern studies and stuff if you wanted to. That might be an interesting thing too. The idea really is to just experiment. Now, hopefully some of you guys have got somebody to jam with. If not, there's a 12 bar blues backing track available on the website, and there'll also, for those DVD users, there'll be a DVD extra of a 12 bar blues jam with Justin, where I'm going to do some rhythm guitar for you to have a jam along with. But right now I've got my jam buddy Jedi. Do you fancy coming and playing some 12 bar blues for me, Cover?
Oh mate, that'd be great. Yeah, thought you'd never ask.
Oh dear.
Shall I just say yes?
It just sounded funny. Hey, how you doing? So, welcome the Jedi. So
hey.
We've got Jedi from the other side of the camera. We just dragged him around here to play a little bit of 12 bar blues with me. So he's going to do a little bit of the 12 bar blues rhythm guitar. I'm just going to give you a bit of a demonstration of a really, really nice, easy little solo to play using the minor pentatonic. So I might end up doing some things that I haven't showed you yet, but I'm going to try really not to do any bending and stuff like that. But so just have a bit of a look. But the idea will be just for you to jam and you to have a bit of fun on your own, experimenting with that scale. If you want to get more into the lead guitar stuff, check out the Blues Lead Guitar Course on the site, because that explains all these things like how to use this scale properly and how to learn licks. But it's just, it can be quite fun just to jam around with this now. So I'll play you a little intro and then we'll head off, Jed. Is that all right?
Yeah, well up for this. Let's go. Lots of space. Thank you very much, Jedi. Thank you, Justin.
And thank you very much for all the filming and hard work there, Cover.
It's my
pleasure. This is the Jedi out on the right side of the camera. Hey. So, I hope you enjoyed that little jam I just had with Jed. I didn't manage to stick to the minor pentatonic notes all the time, but I did for the most part. I probably played a little bit too much, especially seeing as I was trying to illustrate to you the idea that you can just play a few notes, so maybe I'm just as guilty as you guys usually are. So anyway, the idea here is just to have a little bit of a fun. Try jamming along with that minor pentatonic scale. If you get really into it, go and check out the Blues Lead Guitar Course, because it really is, that's a lot of fun, and it'll teach you all of the skills that you need to do good blues improvising, I hope. So, have a crack on that. have a bit of a laugh, and we've got one last little thing to do, which is to consolidate all the stuff we've done in this course, which, let's face it, is quite a lot of stuff. So I'll see you for that consolidation lesson in just a moment.